Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a price to your Craigslist ad and post. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to log into this main page where at the top of the screen you can get started with selecting your location wherever you are if it is not already automatically selected. So once we have selected that, now we can get started with logging into our account. In the upper right corner, you want to log into your account so you can post ads. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is now going to be the main page you're greeted by. Where in the upper left corner we can get started posting an ad. So let's go and take a look at how to put a price for our item. You want to go and choose a listing that's going to enable you to put a price on. Some listings such as community and services offer something similar, do not have prices, so you want to go and select for sale by owner and select something that's going to have a price. So let's say you want to sell a computer. Once you click on the computer category, it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started giving info about our listing. As you can see, we have the price tab. So in the price tab, you can enter in the amount that you want to use as a price. You can select the currency and so on. It's going to depend on your location. So once you're ready and satisfied with the price, you can click continue to the next page and get started posting your listing. And that is how to set a price for any item that you are selling. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.